Hi, hello, welcome back to our channel Super Srinivas. Okay, in our channel we providing math Monday and Tuesday physics and math class, and Wednesday and Thursday chemistry and math class, and Friday and Saturday physics and chemistry classes, and Sunday math, physics and chemistry classes. Okay, don't miss our classes. Watch our classes regularly. Subscribe our channel and notify our videos and our classes to you. Okay, let's go into our topic. Electrochemistry part 6. We completed factors affecting. We completed, and various forms completed of conductance with concentration completed, graph completed, and effects of dilution also completed. Effects of temperature. Today's topic is effects of temperature. In our previous class, I have asked one question. Okay, some are answered. Okay, try to answer. Okay, if anyone not get the answer, I will tell that answer now. Okay, that answer is, why does conductivity of a solution decreases with a dilution? Why in a regularly conductivity of an electrolyte solution depends on which factor? Okay, conductivity of, this is a important concept. Conductivity of an electrolyte solution depends on the number of ions present per unit volume. On dilution, the number of ions present per unit volume decreases. Therefore, conductivity also decreases. Okay, what we are asking, why does conductivity of a solution decreases with dilution? Among the dilution, conductivity also decreases. Why? Because conductivity of electrolyte solutions depends on which factor? Number of ions present in the unit volume. And in dilution, the number of ions present in the unit volume decreases. Here that is decreases. In dilution decreases, then conductivity also decreases. What is the factor? Number of ions present per unit volume. Conductivity also per unit volume. Number of ions per unit volume. And dilution also, number of conductivity per unit volume is decreases. In dilution decreases, then automatically conductivity also decreases. So that is it. Conductivity also decreases. This is the reason. What is the reason? Conductivity of electrolyte, number of ions per unit volume decreases, then conductivity also decreases. Okay, in our topic, today's topic, electrochemistry topic, effects of temperature. Effect of temperature. Effect of temperature. The conductivity of electrolyte increases. Conductivity increases, then temperature also increases. Okay, conductivity of increases and temperature also increases. Next, conductance rate. Ratio. Okay, Here the ratio between of equivalent conductance at a concentration reverse Vc to infinite dilution reverse VO is called as a conductance ratio. Alpha is equals to conductance ratio, also denoted by alpha. Then here alpha is equals to reverse Vc by and reverse O. What is that ratio of equivalent concentration equivalent at conductance at concentration to the infinite conductance of a dilution? Okay, weak electrolyte alpha is equals to degree of ionization. Here the node point is 0.01 m CH3COOH solution when compared to the 0.1 m CH3COOH because reverse Vc is more higher in case of 0.01 m CH3COOH. Okay, this is higher in case of 0.01 m CH3COOH. Next equation. Okay, Debye Huckel on Serger equation. This is simply known as Debye Huckel equation. What is his equation? Statement is the equivalent conductance of electrolyte solution at any concentration is related to the zero concentration. First solution is given by the following Debye-Huckel's on-Serger equation. Reverse C is equals to reverse O minus of 82.4 by dt whole power n half plus 8.2 into 10 to the power of 5 by dt whole power of 3 by 2 reverse VO root C, where what is D is a dielectric constant of water and T is temperature, and reverse Vc is equals to equivalent conductance at constant rate and equivalent conductance at almost zero or concentration of or infinite dilution, and this is n neta. This is n neta viscosity coefficients of the solvents. In short form equation is molar equivalent conductance concentration is equals to equivalent conductance at 0 or infinite minus B root C, where B is a constant, depends on the nature of the solvent and temperature. This is the short form of this equation. Okay, you must remember these two equations. These are useful for MSET. Okay, next one is variation. Next one, Huckel's law depends on the migration of ions. Huckel's law depends on next topic is Kohlrausch law. Statement of Kohlrausch law and Kohlrausch law. Kohlrausch law. What is Kohlrausch law and short form of Kohlrausch law? Today we discussed a short amount of this. Kohlrausch law means the equivalent conductance of infinity of dilution of an electrolyte equivalent conductance or the mobility of anode and cathode is called as Kohlrausch law. And here this is the formula based on the Kohlrausch law. Ions, positive and negative ions is electrolyte. This is the formula of Kohlrausch law. Examples are, first one, this is KCl is equals to lambda naught K plus lambda naught Cl minus. KCl is divided into K plus and Cl minus. Here another example is rho Cl2, means that is equals to half of calcium lambda naught of Ca plus lambda naught Cl minus. Then third one is lambda naught AlCl3, that is equals to 1 by 3 lambda naught Al plus 3 plus lambda naught of Cl minus. This symbol is about the equivalent conductance, and lambda is equals to molar conductance. N plus and N minus are the charges finished the value, whereas molar conductance of an electrolyte is infinity. Some of the ions communicated of cations and anions are multiplied by the number of ions present in this is the formula, and this is the formula based examples. Here these are the examples and application. I will ask the one question and comment in our comment section. What is the question? Question is calculate. Write down the question in your notes. I will also write here, and I will write the question in our description box. Okay, please go and answer it in a comment. Calculate M0 for calcium chloride and magnesium sulfide. Okay, calcium chloride and magnesium sulfide solution you will find there. And here lambda naught of Ca plus 2 is equals to value 119, and lambda naught of Cl minus is equals to, I am not giving the units, only values, 76.3, and lambda naught Mg plus 2 is equals to 106, and lambda naught of SO4 minus 2 is equals to 160. These are the units. You will find it just using the formula, and just you divide this calcium, this formula, and calcium means how can we divide calcium? Ca plus 2 and Cl minus 2, half Ca plus 2 and Cl minus 2, and Mg also do like that and do answer, and this is the values of eta and find out the answer. Okay, do answer in comment section. Don't forget to answer. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel Super Srinivas. Don't forget to answer that question. Thank you for watching video.